Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Snapchat app is stopped working or not working on your iPhone and iPad before or after iOS update, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile or cellular data, then turn off mobile or cellular data. Wait for a few seconds for both. Which one you use, then turn on back. And also, you have to switch to 5G to 4G. After that, the next solution is we have to tap on settings, then general, and tap iPhone storage. Here we will see two things. We have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. The second thing is we have to tap on Snapchat and tap on offload app and tap again offload app to confirm. After offloading the app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, we have to go back to App Store and re-download the Snapchat app. The next solution is launch settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. In the end, check the software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.